You are watching your own channel HP Spotlight, where the news comes fast,
bringing you to the top stories.
Primary wing activities: introduce yourself competition, sensory writing activity, Mother's Day celebration, number recognition activity, feel the texture, arrange yourself in sequence activity, painting with cotton balls, table manners, sense organ activity. In craft activity: stone painting, handwriting competition, Ashu Bhashan, quiz competition, sports activities, industrial visit, visit to Nanakpuri Tanda, visit to Bhimtal, special assembly, achievements, school election.
Introduce yourself competition. The Little Stars Big Dreams Introduce Yourself competition was organized in the pre-primary section, which offers a platform for personal growth, creativity, social interaction and the celebration of each child's unique qualities. It cultivates a positive learning environment and sets the stage for future success. The kids were very excited for the competition and they actively took part, told their likes and dislikes. The competition aimed to encourage the children to speak up and communicate confidently, while also help them to develop their social skills and the knowledge around the world.
sensory writing activity. Step into a world of wonder and creativity as we proudly present our thrilling sensory writing activity for our beloved pre-primary students. At Himalayan Progressive School, we believe in providing a holistic learning experience that engages all the senses. Our sensory writing activity is designed to ignite our students' imagination, enhance their fine motor skills, and create a sensory-rich environment that fosters a love for writing and self-expression.
Mother's Day celebration, a day of glamour, games and dance. At Himalayan Progressive School, we believe in honoring and cherishing the incredible mothers in our community. That's why we organize a spectacular Mother's Day celebration that was nothing short of extraordinary. Our mothers took center stage and showcased their elegance and grace in a glamorous ramp walk that left everyone in awe. They radiated beauty and confidence as they walked, and the little ones too, creating precious memories that will last a lifetime. But that was just the beginning. Our celebration was filled with exciting one-minute games that brought laughter, joy and friendly competition to the event. Mothers and their childs enthusiastically participated, bonding over shared experiences and creating a deeper connection. And what's a celebration without dance and music? Our mothers and the children hit the dance floor, grooving to their favorite tunes and showcasing their dance moves. The atmosphere was electric as the room filled with laughter, smiles and pure happiness. We extend our deepest gratitude to all the mothers who made this celebration truly special.
Number recognition activity in kindergarten. Tiny tots of nursery were excited for adventure into world of numbers. At Himalayan Progressive School, we believe in making learning fun and engaging, which is why we have organized a number recognition activity for our kindergarten students. Through this activity, children develop their number recognition skills while unleashing their creativity and imagination. It's a hand-on experience that will numbers come alive in colorful and interactive ways.
Feel the texture activity. At Himalayan Progressive School, we believe in engaging all the senses to create a rich and immersive learning experience. That's why we have designed an exciting activity called Feel the Texture, where children can explore and discover the wonderful worlds of tactile sensations. Through this hands-on activity, children had the opportunity to touch, feel and describe various textures, expanding their sensory vocabulary and owning their observative skills. It is a multi-sensory journey that sparks curiosity and imagination.
Arrange yourself in sequence activity. We are excited to share a delightful and educational activity that took place in our kindergarten classroom. The Arrange Yourself in Sequence activity. It was a wonderful opportunity for our little learners to enhance their sequencing skills. We are immensely proud of our kindergartners for the enthusiasm, participation and achievements during this exciting activity.
Painting with cotton balls activity. At Himalayan Progressive School, we believe in nurturing this artistic spirit of our pre-primary students. Recently, we organized an enchanting painting activity that ignited their creativity and allowed their imagination to soar. It nurtured their fine motor skills, visual perception and emotional development, creating a strong foundation for their artistic journey.
Table manners. At Himalayan Progressive School, we believe in nurturing not only academic skills but also essential life skills. Recently, we organized a delightful activity focused on teaching table manners to our kindergarten students. It was a wonderful opportunity for them to learn and practice polite and respectful behavior while enjoying mealtime together. After the meal, we guided the children in clearing the table and cleaning up their eating area. They learned the value of responsibility and teamwork in maintaining cleanliness.
Sense organ activity. The sense organ activity in our pre-primary wing was an enriching and multi-sensory experience. It enhances our young learners' understanding of their senses, fostering curiosity and appreciating for the wonders of their own bodies. The children were presented with a variety of colorful objects, pictures and shapes. They used their senses of sight to observe and identify different colors, sizes and patterns. The children engaged in the sound recognition activity where they listened attentively to various sounds and identified them. Fragrant scents filled the air as the children explored different smells. They were introduced to a range of scented objects such as flowers, herbs and fruits. The children savored a variety of flavors experiencing sweet, sour, salty and bitter taste.
Art and craft activity. Stone painting, class 1 to 8. Stone painting is a fun and creative activity that allows students to explore their artistic skills and imagination. Keeping this in mind, HPS conducted a competition of stone painting. Students bought their required materials with colors and decorative materials, glitters, etc. Our students are engaged in stone painting activity, where they painted stones and made their amazing pieces. This fun-filled activity witnessed an enthusiastic participation by numerous students.
Portrait making and card making activity. A mother's love is limitless, unbreakable and everlasting. At our school, the young and enthusiastic students showed their love and respect for their mothers in a beautiful way. The students poured their creativity into making stunning posters by class 6 to 8 and heartfelt greeting cards 1st to 5th. They sketched portraits of their mothers and adorned them with short poems, letters, quotes expressing their deep appreciation. It was truly heartwarming to witness their genuine admiration for their mothers.
Hindi handwriting competition, Likhavat. Students of class 3 to 5 participated in Likhavat, Hindi handwriting competition, and enjoyed the experience of a different atmosphere in their classrooms. Handwriting activates the brain more than keyboarding. The brain engages differently when we write something by hand, as opposed to typing it on a keyboard or by touching a screen. Studies show that handwriting improves memory. Students retain learning better when working with new ideas through handwriting instead of typing. Good handwriting contributes to reading fluency because it activates visual perception of letters. Handwriting has a positive impact on grades.
Quiz competition. The school's quiz competition for students of grade 11-12 was an exciting adventure in discovering and exploring our world's unique history, culture and landmarks. Students were challenged to showcase their knowledge of different events, historical figures and iconic structures as well as fascinating facts about our world. Through this competition, students gained a deeper appreciation for the world's rich heritage, diverse communities and distinctive landscapes, inspiring them to become more engaged citizens and knowledgeable world travelers. Congratulations to all the talented participants and winners who demonstrated their passion for learning and their love for our great country. Inter-house cricket competition. From the crack of the first ball to the roar of the final cheer, the HPS cricket competition is an epic display of sportsmanship, skill and determination. It is a showcase of the best and brightest young cricket stars as they compete for glory and honour on the field. The final match was held between Ashfaqullah Khan House and Chandrasekhar House, in which Chandrasekhar House won by 18 runs. Volleyball competition was organised by the sports department in the school volleyball court. Students of class 11th and 12th showcased their teamwork and coordination skills while enjoying the thrill of competition. The final match was played between Ashfaqullah Khan House and Udham Singh House, in which Udham Singh House won. Industrial visit. HPS organized an educational visit for grade 6 to Anchal Dairy Lal Kuan Haldwani. There they explained that organization provide cattle feed, fodder and seeds to its associate cooperative members at reasonable price. They also explained how to inspect the input material coming from the outsource and scientific standards for food preparation. He also explained the various benefits of food items being prepared inside the factory and the relationship market with them.
Visit to Parleji. HPS organized Parle-G factory visit at Rudipur for grade 3. It was really an exciting and knowledgeable trip for every student. At the factory, they first visualized the presentation related to the history and establishment of Parle-G company, and through the video the complete process of how the cookies were made. Children keenly observed the steps of preparing biscuits from mixing, molding, baking, cooling, packing and distributing. The students were really fascinated by looking at the big machines and excited too. It was a wonderful experience to be there.
Visit to Meenakshi Packaging Factory, Lalpur. Students of grade 10th B went on educational trip to Meenakshi Packaging Factory, Lalpur. They learned about how packaging boxes are made of different layers and quantity. Overall, it was a fun and knowledgeable trip.
Educational trip to Bhimtal. School has conducted an educational trip of class 11 and 12 fine art students to Bhimtal, to the art gallery of Padma Shri Dr. Yashodhar Matpal, to enhance their knowledge about the folk art of Uttarakhand and also knowledge about the techniques of watercolors. The students enjoyed it very much.
Visit to Nanak Mata. Those who understand the eternal blessings which come from the temple know that no sacrifice is too great, no price too heavy, no struggle too difficult in order to receive those blessings. Students of grade 1st A and 1st B went to Gurudwara Nanak Puri to seek blessings. They prayed to God to bless them with knowledge, health and wisdom, and enjoyed delicious langar and sweet water served to them at Gurudwara.
School elections. Realizing the importance of the idea, the school involved the students in learning the entire process of election, importance of voting, and above all, choosing a governing body which represents the students of the school by conducting election for school parliament. The process began with the nominations for the most coveted posts: school captain, sports captain, house captain. The school management, after a brief interview, the contenders were given time in the assembly to appeal for voting in their favour. All the contenders put their manifestos in the best possible way. The audience at large knew their role to select the best student leader who could do the mantle of leadership and discharge responsibilities and accountability towards them. Democratic elections through voting provided a feel of functioning of an official administrative body. Special Assembly. Class 11 Science performed a skit on the topic side effects of social media in the morning assembly. Through this skit, the students showed how youths are becoming easy prey of social media and it is affecting them differently, and also gave a message that we can overcome on it by spending time with real friends, relatives and parents. Achievements. MUN Model United Nations. Our students participated in MUN Model United Nations held at Little Scholars School, Kashipur, in which our students learned about international relationships and UN. Our students represented various countries like Qatar, India, Argentina, Mexico, China, etc. as its delegates. In these 3-day sessions, our students showcased their skills in research, public speaking, debating, writing, teamwork and leadership and critical thinking. HPS felicitated its laurels by honoring them with certificates of participation. With great pride to share this news that one of our diligent HPN, Shaurya Basera, grade 11, has played All India National Futsal Tournament organized by Tamil Nadu Soccer Futsal Association, TSFA. He represented our state, Uttarakhand, in under 18 men's category and secures the runners-up position for this achievement. He has been felicitated at assembly by Honorable Principal Mr. Rajesh Sharma. May God bless you with success and abundant happiness. Board results. It's time to acknowledge our geniuses and stars. Result day. A turn which children are judged and awarded on the basis of their hard work. CBSE results are out. The children of HPS has proved that it is often the small steps, not the giant leaps, that bring out the most lasting chances. It is 100% results achieved by the children. Many of them have changed their efforts into their achievements. The school management and staff congratulate the students on the extraordinary efforts. Thank you our stars and geniuses for your consistent hard work, perseverance and believing in yourself. We deliver what we do. We will see you again next month with some more news.
Wishing you a good day. Until then, stay tuned with us. Please do like, subscribe and share your own channel HPS Spotlight.
Thank you for watching.